Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss illustration number 7, page number 93. The capital account of Arivalagan and Srinivasan on 1st January 2017 showed a balance of Rs 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. On 1st July 2017, Arivalagan introduced an additional capital of Rs 5,000 and on 1st September 2017, Srinivasan introduced additional capital of Rs 10,000. See, on 1st July 2017, Arivalagan introduced additional capital. On 1st September 2017, Srinivasan introduced additional capital. See, financial year 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017. Okay, yeah. Then calculate interest on capital at 6% for the year ending 31st December 2017. See, capital introduced on Arivalagan 15,000 on 1st January for 1 year. So, opening capital for 1 year 15,000 into 6 by 100 is equal to 900. Then, additional capital introduced by Arivalagan on 1st July. From July 1st to December, how many months? 6 months. From July 1st, July also taken into account. July 1st to December, 6 months. So, now we calculate interest on additional capital for 6 months, rate of interest 6%. So, an additional capital for 6 months, 5,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. So, 900 plus 150, 1050 interest on capital due to Arivalagan. Then, interest on capital of Srinivasan. Srinivasan also introduced a capital on 1st January 2017, 10,000. And 5,000 on 1st September 2017, Srinivasan introduced additional capital, 10,000. On which date? September. From September to December, how many months? September, October, November, December. September, October, November, December. Only 4 months. See, we calculate interest 10,000 for 1 year and additional 10,000 for 4 months. See, interest on capital due to Srinivasan on opening capital for 1 year, 10,000 into 6 by 100 is equal to 600. Additional capital for 4 months because he introduced additional capital on 1st September. September, October, November, December, 4 months. 10,000 into 6 by 100 into 4 by 12. Rate of interest 200. So total 800. So interest on capital of Srinivasan 800. Are you clear? In this chapter, we consider date of introducing additional capital. Whether the additional capital introduced beginning of the month or end of the month. If beginning of the month, that month also taken into account. End of the month, it should be leave it. Okay. Then illustration number 8. From the following balance sheet of Subha and Sudha, whose share of profit losses equal proportion. Okay, are you clear? Equally. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December. See, the balance sheet is given. See, date of balance sheet 31st December 2017. That means closing capital. Closing capital. The day 31st December 2017 means closing capital. Then current liability. Fixed asset, current asset. Then drawings of Subha and Sudha during the year were 2,500 and 3,500 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 15,000. Then calculate interest on capital at 6%. How to calculate interest on capital? Now we are going to calculate 15,000 or 20,000. No, it is a wrong one, because we find out the capital in the beginning. Then only we are going to calculate interest on capital. How to calculate, how to find the opening capital? Already I said we calculate missing figure. And first chapter, capital at the end, add drawings, less profit. Now we get capital in the beginning. See, capital at the end 15,000, 20,000. Drawings 2,500, 3,500. These two items to be subtracted from the closing capital. Then we get adjusted closing, added. It should be added along with the closing capital. Now we get 17,500, 23,500. Less profit already credited. See, profit 15,000. This profit is shared by all partners equally, because profit or loss equal proportion. 7,500, 7,500. It should be subtracted. Now we get 10,000, 16,000 as the capital at the beginning. Now we are going to calculate interest on capital for 10,000 and 16,000. This is the way for a method of calculating opening capital. See, in problem, closing capital is given, drawings is given. Okay, now closing capital, add drawing, less profit. Now we get opening capital. Then we are going to calculate interest on capital on opening. 10,000 into 6 by 100 is equal to 600. Sudha, on opening capital, 16,000 into 6 by 100 is equal to 960. This is the method for calculating opening interest on capital. Then illustration 9. From the following balance sheet of Brinda and Praveena, who share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:4, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2017. Interest on capital, how many percentage? 6%. Profit sharing ratio 3:4. See the balance sheet. Capital, Brinda, that is the closing statement. This one is a closing capital. Brinda 30,000, Praveena 40,000. Profit and loss appropriation 10,000. Sundry assets 80,000. Both say total 80,000. On 1st July, see the date, on 1st July 2017, Brinda introduced an additional capital of rupees 6,000, and on 1st October 2017, Praveena introduced 10,000. Drawings of Brinda and Praveena during the year were 5,000 and 7,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 31,000. Okay, now we are going to find out a opening capital with the help of this information. So closing capital is given in the problem. With the help of the additional information, we are going to calculate opening capital under calculation of missing figure method. See, capital as on 31st December 2017, 30,000, 40,000. Drawings during the year 5,000, 7,000. These items to be added along with the closing capital 35,000, 47,000. If any additional capital introduced during the year 6,000, 10,000. These two items also subtracted. Okay, then profit. Profit, how to calculate profit? Total profit 31,000. Already profit and loss appropriation adjusted 10,000. These 10,000 is subtracted from 31,000. So total profit 31,000 including 10,000. But during the year profit except profit and loss appropriation 10,000. Now 21,000. These 21,000 should be shared by Brinda and Praveena 3:4. That is 9,000 and 12,000. So 21,000 into 9 by 3 by 7, 21,000 into 4 by 7. That is 12,000. Now we add and subtract from this. These two add and subtract from this. Now we get 20,000 and 25,000 is the opening capital. Now we are going to calculate interest on opening capital at 6% for this amount. Okay, then on opening capital for 1 year, 20,000 into 6 by 100, 1,200. And additional capital for 6 months, 6,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. Okay, because additional capital introduced during the year on 1st July. From July to December, 6 months. So 6,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, 180. Total interest on capital due to Brinda, 1,380. Then interest on capital due to Praveena, say on opening capital for 1 year, 25,000 into 6 by 100, 1,500. And additional capital 10,000 for 3 months. On which date they introduce capital? October 1st. From October to December, how many months? 3 months. So 10,000 into 6 by 100 into 3 by 12. Now we get 150. So interest on capital due to Praveena, 1,650. See, one more item. Profit credited is equal to profit earned 31,000 minus balance of profit as per balance sheet. See, total profit 31,000. Total profit 31,000. Balance of profit as per balance sheet 10,000. It should be subtracted. Okay, it should be subtracted. Now we get 21,000. This amount is distributed in their profit sharing ratio. So how to calculate interest on capital for the partners? Sometimes opening capital is given in the problem. Sometimes we are going to find out opening capital under missing figure method. Then only we are going to calculate interest on capital. See, interest on capital, main thing, date of introducing additional capital. If date of withdrawal also taken into account. Don't forget, we are going to calculate interest on capital means interest on capital is calculated on opening capital, not in closing capital. Now we are going to calculate interest on capital on opening capital. If any additional capital introduced during the year, date is given. From the date onwards, we are going to year end. We calculate interest on additional capital. Then if date is not given, for example, one partner introduced additional capital during the year, date of introducing additional capital is not given, approximately we calculate interest on capital for 6 months. Suppose rate of interest also not given in the problem, approximately 6%. It should be calculated. This is the method for calculating interest on capital. Okay, are you clear? Today class is over. Thank you, students. We will meet later. Thank you.